we discussed about the ant and the apple. So please read.
There was a cute ant which had an apple. The apple was red. His friends, the alligator, asked him for a bite. The ant gave him a bite. The alligator and the ant ate the apple. After they ate the apple, the ant went away.
So, the ant and the apple. Kuan ko na lumigas ng apple. There was a cute ant. So, naa ko no'y lumigas nga gamay, which had an apple. Nagdala ko na siya og apple. The apple was red. Ang apple ko no kay color red. His friend, the alligator, asked him for a bite. Nako na siya friend nga crocodile. And asked him for a bite. Nangutan ko na siya, pwede ba mo paak sa atong apple? The ant give him a bite. So, ang lumigas ko nun, katagan siya, ay ipapaak siya sa apple. The alligator and the ant ate the apple. So, ang alligator ko no, ang ant, nangaon sila sa apple. After they ate the apple, the ant went away. So, pag nila gaon, nilakaw na kuno ang lumigas. So, please answer the question.
Annyeonghaseyo, students.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So today we have an activity about verb tense and simple present. So please read the instruction.
Change this word from past simple into simple present. Number 1, heard. Number 2, ate. Number 3, went. Number 4, beat. Number 5, did. Number 6, feed. Change these words from simple present into past simple. Number 1, get. Number 2, be. Number 3, eat. Number 4, hurt. Number 5, cause. Number 6, come.
So raise your hand if you want to answer number 1. So Sophia, please answer the number 1.
Hurt.
So correct. Number 2, Jillian.
Eat.
So correct. Ano sa spelling sa 8 nga? Ikaw, Sophia. Ano sa spelling?
Annyeonghaseyo, class.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So today, we discuss about family picnic. So please read a story about family picnic.
I am James. My family went to a picnic last Saturday. My mom brought a lot of snacks. We ate a lot and played hide and seek.
So, I am James. So, siya ko no si James. My family went to a picnic last Saturday. Ang iya ko nung pamilya, nag-picnic last Saturday. So, my mom brought a lot of snacks. Ang iya ko nung mama, nagdala ko nung daghan kay na snacks. We eat a lot and play hide and seek. So, sila ko no, nangaong kulos lang perting daghan na. And naduwa sila og tago-taguan. So, question. Please read.
What is the boy's name?
Number 2.
What did the family do? Number 3. What did mom bring? Number 4. What did they do at the park?
So, please answer.